Welcome to Wingineers Technology.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my another interesting video. As you can see, the overview of this vessel is completed by Team Wingineers, and now we are disembarking the vessel. As you can see, this is our another vessel. Also, this is the top view of the vessel. As you can see from here, the Team Wingineers has done a very great job over here. Many multiple jobs, multiple services, electrical, mechanical supplies, and the vessel is ready to depart. It will be sailing. As you can see, the overview from the top view of the sky of this yard. A wonderful yard, wonderful people over here. And this is $1 million view. Rarely you get a chance to shoot from such a height. Like, we are going through a gantry. As you can see over here, this Rio Bravo also is the vessel where I will be boarding next for my services. And let us hope we give our best over here. And this is just a fundamentalist video for keeping the people enthusiastic and cheer them up with such kind of views. As you can see, the complete yard, it is like an island form. And this is our vessel where we have successfully completed, ready to set the sails. And thank you very much for watching my videos. Stay tuned. As you can see, the top view, even we have done the Wi-Fi job over here, additional routers and all. So thumbs up and stay tuned, and please do like and subscribe my videos for such kind of interesting videos. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. And any query, any doubt, any services you want, then you can contact below given email address and contact number for the Team Wingineers services. We are open 24/7, 24 hours. We will respond to you, and we have a global presence. We serve in 16 countries, so feel free to connect with us to solve your problems. It's a one-point maritime solution. Bye everyone.